Hey, Sice, what are you doing?
I'm building this again.
A real life, huh?
Yes.
What is it?
Minecraft!
Minecraft? Wow. Wow, you're sure a good Minecraft builder. And what is that? That's like a tumbling mat?
Yes.
Where you do your handstand?
Yes.
And you're tumbling?
Yes.
Wow, you're doing a good job. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm building it.
Putting up the side walls. Yeah, wow, look at that. He's got a box there. He's putting up the other side wall. Then he can crawl in and out. Wow, look at him go. Go in there and show us. Let's see. Then you can put a blanket and pillow and stuff in there. Make a roof. A canopy.
And I knocked it down.
Yeah, it's okay. You can put it back up.
Give Sice a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And click below on the next YouTube video.
All right.
Bye bye.